All right, so we have been showing you all around Cottleville where it's located, a lot of the area attractions, all the fun things. Today we are actually going to focus on one home and a specific price point. So we are going to look at what approximately $650,000 gets you in Cottleville, Missouri right now. Today what we're going to look at is actually a home built in 2021, so just a couple years old. It is a story and a half, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, right about 3,700 square feet. Does have a 3-car garage, which, as we mentioned, real big thing here in Missouri. So we are going to head on inside and take a look at that.
All right, we are at the house, and Ashley's going to take us through the house. Just want to get a quick outside view of this gorgeous story-and-a-half house. It's got a lot of upgrades on it. All right, Ashley, take them away.
Come on in. All right. So yeah, very beautiful. Have a office immediately to the right here. Dan's standing in our really nicely oversized dining area.
I love the coffered ceiling.
Yes, coffered ceiling, and the baseboard, the molding, super oversized all throughout the home. So that's a really nice touch.
And this is a Lombardo home, and one of their big selling points on their story and a half are there's 2-story great rooms, loads of windows.
Mm-hmm. Amazing for natural light on a day like today. And then once again, we have the kitchen, which is fantastic, and one of Lombardo's signature super oversized islands, which I covet.
Yes. And then their just totally lost my words, but where their oven is, sometimes they have the brickwork, but that is another signature for them. Just a really gorgeous kitchen in general.
You want to head into the master area and take a look at that?
Let's do that. I'll let you show us the way down the hall.
Okay. I'll just point out briefly as we're headed there. So off to the left here, this is fantastic. Obviously coming in from the garage, you have the laundry room off to the side, a separate closet here, and this whole, mud room entryway area. So super oversized on that as well.
I love this master with the sitting room.
Yes, so the separation with the columns there, access to the exterior from the master. And then you do have over here, so this is cool. This one right behind me here is one of the 2 master closets outside of the bathroom. And then in the bathroom, his and her vanities and an additional closet. So 2 walk-ins, and best of both worlds, one in the bathroom and one outside as well. All right, so we are now in the upper level of this home. So what we have up here, of course, this gorgeous loft area that we're currently in, fantastic for home office if you need an additional kids play area. Possibilities are endless. And then what we have up here is the additional 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. So we have 2 right when you come up the steps here, connected by a Jack and Jill bath, and then kind of a 3rd slightly larger bedroom with its own bath over here on this side. So you have kind of a split floor plan on this upper level.
And then we have our 2-story great room here from the upstairs with all the windows. And then you'll notice off to my left here, you do see 364. People love that because that can get you pretty much anywhere in the St. Louis area in a very quick way.
Yes. Yeah, that is your direct access to any of the other major highways.